Good morning, dear all. Today's class is about revision of determiners. What are determiners? Determiners are those words that are put before noun phrases. They refer, like, to they refer the position of the noun, place of the noun, moreover, many other things, right? So, example, one person. So when I say one person, person is a noun and one is determining the number, one person. The first row, few people, several men, many people were there. So many, much more, several, often. We have done articles also, they are also determiners. So let me share the screen with you. Okay. Determiners are the words which come at the beginning of the noun phrase or before noun phrase, right? They tell us whether the noun phrase is specific or general. Determiners may indicate whether the noun is referring to a definite or indefinite element of a class, to a closer or more distant element. Now, rather going on this definition, I'll just explain you what are determiners. You just keep in mind that determiners are words placed in front of a noun to make it clear what the noun refers to. Okay? Now, this will be very clear to you when you understand this, right? Okay. Types of determiners: articles, demonstrative, possessive, quantifiers, numeral, interrogatives. Now, these words may appear to you that we have done, yes, we have heard, we have done in our junior classes, but they are very, very simple if you try to understand them. Articles we have done, a boy, so is an article, and the definite article, indefinite article, right? So then demonstratives, possessives, quantifiers, numeral, interrogatives. Whose, who, interrogative. Whose pen is this? Pen is a noun, so whose pen, right? Numeral. Numeral, just now I gave you example. 5 boys, quantifiers, much, many, more, several. Possessive, his, her, his pen, his box, her cousin, right? Demonstrative, these students are wonderful. These, those, this, that, right? So let us move and then we'll do the exercise. Articles. And an indefinite article, right? Then if we move, an indefinite article indicates its noun is not a particular one. It may be something that the speaker is mentioning for the first time, right? A man was standing there at the roadside. Fine, indefinite article. Moving on to the next part, definite article, the particular one, right? Identifiable to the listener. Now moving on to the demonstrative one. That house is very dirty. This, these, that, those, these are demonstrative determiners. Possessive determiners. Dayani is her name. I'm going on the examples to make it more clear. The possessive determiners in English: my, your, his, her, its, are, their, right? Okay. Then quantifiers: few, either, enough, fewer, both, little, a little, many, much. All these are quantifiers. Okay. Then when we move to numeral determiners, ordinal and cardinals. First impression, second chance. The first place was bagged by so and so student. 1 book, 20 books, 2 books, So one, first, second, third, all these are determiners. Now, if you see, they are placed before nouns and they are determining the stand of noun, okay, referring to some particular situation or telling us about the noun more. Distributive, each and every, either, neither, another, other one. So these are distributive, and we'll do some exercises also, you'll understand more, right? Then interrogative determiners. Determiners which are, used for interrogation. What, which, whose, right? So, dear students, I hope you have understood the types of, this determiners, and now how the exercises in our syllabus based on this. So, types of determiners, articles, demonstrative determiners, possessive, quantifier, numeral, and interrogative. Now, if I give you an exercise based on multiple choice question, and it has got 4 articles and A, B, C, D, and it has the demonstratives or possessive determiners. Will it be difficult for us to solve? We have been doing, but only sometimes the terms and the things, make us a little confused. So I explained you what are determiners, and now we'll do the exercise. Okay, wait. Let me share these questions with you through this exercise. Choose the best alternative from amongst the given options to fill in the blanks in the following sentences meaningfully. Today, dash people who enjoy winter sports is bigger than that of 20 years ago. Today, dash people who enjoy winter sports is bigger than that of 20 years ago. A number of, many, a great deal of, the number of. Today, the number of people who enjoy winter sports is bigger than that of 20 years ago. Okay, so the fourth option. Moving on to the, yes.
And we cannot see the question.
You cannot see the question? Okay, wait. Sorry. I'll. Now can you see better?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That's why I asked, can you see the, okay. Now, let us move. Choose the best alternative from amongst the given options to fill in the blanks in the following sentences meaningful. Today, dash people who enjoy winter sports is bigger than that of 20 years ago. Okay, so a number of, many, a great deal of, the number of. I've already given the answer, the number of. Today, the number of people who enjoy winter sports is bigger than that of 20 years ago. Right? Now, moving on to the next question. According to the studies, dolphins, whales, and dash, other sea creatures use highly sophisticated navigation systems. Which determiner will come? Any, a little, many, and or much?
Many.
According to the studies, dolphins, whales, and many other sea creatures, very good, right? Moving on to the third one, the dietary habits of a child often have dash to do with that child's eating habits as an adult. Yes, the third one, the options are little, whole, every, and a great amount. The dietary habits of a child often have little to do with that of child's eating habit as an adult. right? In the United States of America, there are adult literacy classes for workers, dash, of whom never graduated from high school. The answer, anyone? In the United States of America, there are adult literacy.
Many.
Many. Very good. Many of whom never graduated from high school. Now, in the first dash months of life, an infant learns how to lift its head, how to smile, and how to recognize its parents. Now, fifth one. In the first, which will be the option?
Few.
Few, very good, few. Serving dash terms in Congress, Shirley Chisholm became an important United States politician, serving several terms in Congress. Okay? Then, seventh question. Although the language learning abilities of apes have surprised dash scientists, they generally agree that apes do not progress beyond dash. Now you think for a second, read it. Two blanks are there and two options are there.
Many the.
Very good, Peter, correct. Now, dear students, I hope you have understood that these are determiners and multiple choice questions based on these determiners can be the part of our grammar section, right? 3 to 4 marks, or as per the question, the storm continued for dash of the days when we were in New Orleans, but fortunately there wasn't dash damage in the city. This has also got two blanks. The storm continued for most.
Most much.
Yes, most and much. The first blank most, second much. Heavy fines and jail sentences have made dash difference in preventing elephant poaching for their tusk.
Little.
Yes, little, very good. Heavy fines and jail sentences have made difference in preventing elephant poaching for their tusk. Now, moving on to the next question. Although dash species of fox are reddish in color, dash Arctic fox is often pure white. The 10th question. Think it over and give the answer. The answer is option number 4. Okay. Although all species of fox are reddish in color, an Arctic fox is often pure white. Now, read the question number 11 in your mind. Okay. And give the answer. Yes. Anyone? Akshi, Aditya, Achal, Gagandeep, Kanika.
Many.
Yes.
Many.
Okay. Now this is, although there are Yes, many witnesses related to the robbery. The number of residents who have been questioned on this matter is quite small. The expedition through the old Mayan city was held up because of dash delays in the delivery of food supplies. Anyone?
Several.
Several delays in the delivery. Now, we only spent dash days in Istanbul. On the first day, we visited the mosque, and on the other days, we just looked around. 13th. A few, no, many, little. Yes,
A few.
a few. Yes, some noise is coming. Please keep your audio off. Okay. Now, okay, let me move to though it is a densely populated city, there are surprisingly dash people seen on the streets. Though it is a densely populated city, there are surprisingly dash people seen on the streets.
Few people.
Few people. Few people. Now coming on to the 15th sentence. I'm afraid I will have to ask you for some money as I seem to have dash left for the bus ticket.
None.
Yes,
A little.
yes. Now, dear students, have you understood these I hope, dear students, you have understood what are determiners, and I did not spend much time in explaining the definitions, but I gave you the explanation that these are the determiners and types of determiners, and how our exercises will be based on this particular topic. God bless you all. Thank you.